weight of 426 pounds, Mad Dog Jim Goose, and Bad Attitude Bill Ballesca, the Public Enemy.
Both legal men are in the ring and set to start things off here. We're ready to go.
Guys, there's nothing like a good old-fashioned tag team match.
Harsh impact. Oh, what impact. Oh, my. Oof. Tag made. Here we go. Oh, what a boot. What a stomp. Good grief. Uh-oh. Is he done? Oh, and he slips out.
Wow, looked to me like he had it locked in pretty good. I guess not.
Oh, right to the side of the face.
Ooh, what impact. Oh, what a chop block. Hooked up, and boom. There's a pin now, and that was only a one.
Yeah, this is way too early to be going for the win.
Now it's Roman Reigns. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Here he goes. Beautiful technique.
That almost came out of nowhere.
He's got the shoulders down, and Roman Reigns gets out quickly.
Yeah, he's not done yet.
Harsh impact. He's not going to like this.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
What a clothesline! Ouch!
We're really working over the body.
He's looking good now, guys.
Wow, let's see that again.
Man, he is simply a walking highlight reel.
Takes him down.
In a major way, too.
And Roman Reigns makes the cover. Digging deep for a kick out.
That's all right, Cole.
What a stomp. Good grief. Seth Rollins with the tag.
Oh, nasty impact. Nailed it.
Seth Rollins finds a way out. Flatliner.
man, face first.
Nobody controls the pace of it. There it is. The tag has been made.
Oh, he needed that in the worst way, Michael.
Seth Rollins is in position. He wants it one more time.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
And that one grounds him. I didn't realize he had such a glass jaw. The architect's design's coming to fruition now.
Running out of time here.
Oh, come on, get in there.
Inching closer to his and he tags his partner in.
Momentum has certainly shifted here, Michael.
Ooh!
Well, watch this.
Ring rattling.
Well, the architect is rolling now.
Oh, man.
Schoolboy.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what a super kick from the architect.
He's back in control here. You never want to be on the receiving end of one of those.
And he breaks up the pinfall. Seth Rollins looks to have been well scouted.
Out-architected.
Well, he had to expect to take some punishment here, right? I mean, it'd be crazy for him to think he was going to walk away from this match completely unscathed.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
Wisely bringing the action back into the ring. And what a reversal from Seth Rollins.
Rollins, so impressive.
He's going for it all. He's playing with him now.
He'd be smart to stay put there. Look at this.
This is it. Drop kick.
Beautiful.
This is all but over.
Seth Rollins beginning to fade.
Seth Rollins has put so much forth in this match.
Let's take another look at that.
Michael, that was amazing.
Seth Rollins getting ready. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
Whoa!
Hooked up and bam, what a slam. He's looking very overwhelmed out there. He needs to find a way to create some space or else this thing's over.
He's running on fumes right now. It might be smart for him to make a tag. You'd have to think his partner has a little more gas in the tank.
Boy, at this point, he's going to need to have some magic up his sleeve if he wants to get back in this match.
He's got him on his heels and shows no signs of letting up.
Oh, right to the throat. Oh, scoop slam. Oh, Roman Reigns may have it.
Roman Reigns just too fast for him. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He looks for it once again. DDT!
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
Counter here. Roman Reigns saw that one coming. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Vicious attack.
Game, set, match. This one is over.
Oh, he got him.
Let's look at this again.
Whoa, down he goes.
That was impressive, Cole.
He could do it here. And he stops the count.
Lucky him.
That'll do it every time.
Thunderous slam.
A lot of pride on the line here in this tag team encounter, but only two of these competitors will end up getting what they came for. The win.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
Look at this.
Look out!
Got the reversal.
And there's his speed paying off.
Wait a minute.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Set him up. Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
Dangerously close to getting counted out.
Definitely cutting it close, Michael. Oh boy, Batista! What a spear from the animal. Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
This is exactly what Roman Reigns needed.
All the momentum on the side of Reigns.
What?
I can tell you, nobody's happy about it. Tag team's always entertained, but the entertainment on that one was off the charts.
These superstars gave as good as they got, and these fans got their money's worth from the opening bell. That's the kind of match that makes me proud to be here at ringside. Action from the opening bell and a finish people won't soon forget.
Here are your winners, Roman Reigns and Seth Rollins. The Shield.
The ref had no choice here but to end this one via countout.
What we just saw there was a doctorate class in tag team competition. They just took the game to a whole other level.
Guys, I have to say, that was an amazing match.